YouTube. This is Tech with Alan, and today I'm going to bring you another quick tutorial on how to clean your computer and make it faster. All right, in about 9 simple steps. All right, and this will not require the purchase of any program or installation of any program. This is just Windows tools. All right, without further ado, let's go ahead and get to it. All right, step number 1, we're going to clean up some temporary files. So just right click on the start menu here and go to run. You can also go to run by typing the Windows key on your keyboard and the letter R as in Robert. All right, then here we're gonna type temp and hit enter. Here we're gonna highlight all this garbage that was left behind, and we're gonna shift and delete. That way we can permanently delete these items. All right, these are just temporary files that you don't need. Hit yes. All right, step number 2, we're gonna do the same thing, and we're gonna hit this time temp, but we're gonna put a percentage percent sign at the beginning here, and a percent sign at the end. All right, oops, and we're gonna hit OK, and this is gonna be your temporary files for your profile. The other one was the public profile. So we're gonna highlight them all, and we're gonna do the same. We're gonna shift and delete. All right, if you get a prompt, just go ahead and say yes. You might get another prompt. Just say yes to it. If you do, if you get to here and you are not able to delete some of those files, that's okay. You just try again. If you can't delete them, just do this and skip those files. All right. And if it prompts again, go ahead and skip those files, and that's fine. We got rid of most of them. All right. So step number 2 is done. All right, so step number 3, we're gonna optimize the hard drive. All right, so you're gonna go ahead and open this yellow envelope. We're going to go to this PC. We're gonna right click on the C drive, and we're gonna go to properties, and we're gonna go to tools, and we're gonna do optimize. All right, we're gonna highlight the C drive and click on optimize. All right, if you have another hard drive, you can also optimize it if you want. Like if it's a regular spinning hard drive, you can optimize it also. It'll take longer, but you can do that too. All right, so we got this done. Hit OK. We're done here. Step number 5, we're gonna go to the recycle bin. We're gonna right click and we're gonna empty the recycle bin. In this case, I don't have anything because I shift deleted everything, but just go ahead and right click here and click on empty recycle bin, because when you delete something in Windows, it doesn't really delete it. It just sends it to the recycle bin, and that's occupying the same space on your hard drive. All right, so you want to empty the recycle bin every so often. All right, we're gonna open Task Manager, and we're gonna click on the search bar here, and we're gonna type task, and then Task Manager should pop up. All right, we're gonna click on it, and so we're gonna go to the startup apps, and basically everything here, it's starting up with the computer. So if you have a program here, let's say that you don't need, I wouldn't delete it. Let's say if you use OneDrive and you need OneDrive to always be updating, you don't delete this, you don't disable this one, because you do need it to be running all the time, even while the computer comes. Because if you disable some of these programs, they won't start up. They won't start up unless you trigger them the next time. But you always, like, some of these programs you want them to be running, like OneDrive. So I would disable, so you take a look, and then let's say just right click on it and disable it. Right click, disable. like that. And that way, when you restart the computer, they don't load, so they don't show up processing power from the computer. All right, so that's another step. We're gonna remove some programs that we might not need. So the quickest way to get there, it would be by using the right click on the start menu, click on run, and then type appwiz.cpl. All right, and that will take you straight to the app remove programs. And then there, just double check, make sure you don't delete anything that you might need in the future. We're gonna do the graphics. We're gonna disable some of the graphics features, so that way it doesn't consume processing power and graphics power. So we're gonna right click on the start menu, and we're gonna go to system. We're going to go to advanced settings. In advanced settings, we're going to go to the advanced settings. We're going to go to the advanced tab, which is the third one, and then we're going to go under performance. We're going to click on settings. All right, so you see everything here, pretty much everything here is almost everything is enabled. These are all features that graphic features. All right, so that means that these are features that sometimes you don't even use. You're not even aware they exist. Most of the people don't use this, so what I do is I just do adjust for best performance, and that's going to disable all those graphic features, and that's going to speed up your computer. All right, and last but not least, we're going to do a disk cleanup. And the way you access that, it's click on the search bar and then type disk, and it should come up here, disk cleanup. We're gonna click on it, select the hard drive that you want to clean up. In this case is the C drive. Hit OK. All right, and there you have it. I hope this has been informative for you, and if you enjoyed this tutorial, please, you know what to do. If you'd like to subscribe to my channel, feel free to do it. And see you in my next tutorial. Thank you.